Hi. Oh God. I don't remember the last time I was live, but I'm back. Hello Anuj, Sagar Yadav, and so many people जो अभी अभी आए हैं. I feel so good. I've missed each and every one of you, my entire Insta family. तो मुझे लगा कि आज सैटरडे है and I was sitting with my family. We were having an amazing time. तो मुझे लगा आप लोग से भी बातें कर लेती हूँ. So I see so many people. Ishita, Uma की sweet lunch. Yeah. So मुझे लगा कि I need a change in my life and it had to happen through a new haircut. मुझे कभी कभार ऐसा लगता है कि a new haircut can make a person feel absolutely new and fresh. So I can see Kazia. Mostly I can see a lot of girls commenting and they're loving my haircut. My DM is flooded. All of you must have been like writing to me, oh Trida, loving the new look and everything. So yeah, I am loving it too. It gives me a very new feeling. Gauri Shankar, like your pretty hair. Thank you. I just chopped it off. I just thought like, बहुत हो गया. I'm done with long hair. I need a change in my life. Somebody said sadhana cut. I didn't understand the joke, Suraj, but hi. Whoever's joining right now, hello. This is the excellent time to probably say hello to everyone. So I'm going to probably take a few questions because I've come live after a long, really long time. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Okay, hi. I can see everybody. Very funny question. Somebody said कितने पैसे लगे ये हेयर कट के लिए? याद नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है मुझे. But जितना भी लगा होगा, it's totally worth it. Who's your favorite sports person? You know, I've had a lifelong crush for Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid has been somebody I have always loved. Somebody said, how do you maintain your hair, Shivani? I basically have a great diet. I have a great diet. That's how I basically try to maintain my hair. That is the main secret behind it. Nishan Datta, I know you keep writing, so I'm going to acknowledge you. For a long time, loving the new look. Thank you. Favorite movie? There are lots of favorite movies, but I think I love animated films. So recently, I saw Moana. There's a friend of mine called Rohit, and yeah, so Moana happens to be one of my favorites on the list right now. Favorite hero? I love Varun Dhawan. He's so goofy and cool, so I just love it. What's my favorite food? Simran Kakkar is asking. ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल सा सवाल है. I mean, what do I like to eat? I like to eat everything, almost everything given to me. Particularly, I think right now, I like caramel custard a lot. Yeah, caramel custard. Oof, everybody, whoever's joining is complimenting my haircut. Thank you. Yeah, let me see the couple of questions. Hi, love from Kolkata. Soumya Hair Rider has said. How are you doing during lockdown? तो चलिए lockdown के बारे में जरा बताते हैं. I mean, I think almost, as I'm in Calcutta, I'm still here. I'm coming to Bombay pretty soon. And it's quite simple. Abhi lockdown is kind of like, you know, I mean, the rules have been a little not so strict than before. People are going to office. मैं खुद भी निकली थी गाड़ी में like, you know, couple of days back. And I think things are normalizing. But guys, I really honestly believe जो guidelines है, you guys should definitely follow, because without that we might be in serious trouble. So unless you really need to step out, अगर काम के सिलसिले में आपको निकलना है तो ही घर से निकलिए. But otherwise I think still I would absolutely heavily encourage all of you to just stay put, stay home. let the dangerous wave pass, and I pray there's some vaccine. Do you like gardening? Shivam Gupta asked. Gardening, I do, but I am not the person responsible for taking care of the plants. It's actually our caretaker, Chandan. Chandan takes care of our plants along with my mum. They do a fabulous job there. Indrajyoti Das, would you like to read one message for everyone? It will be inspiring. Sure, Indrajyoti, if there is an inspirational message, I'd love that. I definitely love that. Somebody said, Pawan says, घर से प्यार कर लो अब. Well, क्या कर सकते? घर से अगर प्यार नहीं कर पाते तो I probably wouldn't have been so energetic, and I would have probably been like in a very bad state of mind. Yeah, we've all had that, and now we can forget about that. Love from Nepal. Thanks for your songs that you post on your stories. All the songs you keep, I listen to them. Thank you so much, AV Aeon. That means a lot. The music is something which I simply love. I mean, I can't imagine my life without music. Even if I'm like, at my lowest form, music just keeps me sailing. Yeah. So I'm going to this is going to be like a pretty brief session. मैं बस hi बोलने के लिए आई थी क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि it's been weeks since I've probably said hello to all of you. So maybe, yeah. Who was your first crush? My first crush happens to be a person whom I went to school with. Yeah. He happened to be my first crush. So, yeah, it's okay. I think everyone knows. Whoever knows me probably knows him, so it's alright. He's on my friend list. Yeah. Favorite song? There are too many favorite songs. I can't pinpoint it right now, but I think I have been kind of really tripping on the song Rockstar. I mean, it's like na 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 na. So maybe I'll do like an impromptu number to that. Yeah. Okay, I'm super excited to talk to all of you. Indrajyoti, did you write a message? I would have loved to read it out. You have very beautiful smiles, Zohaib Sheikh says. Take care and stay safe. Yes, I have been taking care of myself. I've been doing my best to stay happy and amazing. This lockdown has been pretty it's been like an eye-opener for me, honestly. So I'm in the greatest space of my life, and I couldn't have asked for anything else. I really hope that all of you, eventually get clarity and get clarity in life, guys. High time. बहुत लोग, I think you guys are talking about 2020 being like a year जहाँ पे there are lots of problems that are happening. It's 2020 should be cancelled. It's not the best year. I have a theory to this. I think it is a year of realizations. So in case you guys think 2020 is breaking you guys down, look deep into it. It's probably for an awesome reason. So if you're learning something from it, that's it. Just learn and move on with that beautiful experience and learning. So simple. Okay, I can see so many people complimenting about favorite co-star. That's a very tricky question. I won't answer that. Rohit Sharma, yes. Hi Rohit, so good to see you. Do you work out? Yeah, I've been going for runs. So I have 3-4 open fields near my house. There are lakes in these. It's a lovely area, and so I get my cardio. I basically go for a run or something. Of course, wearing my masks and taking all the precautions. And if there are people around me, I make sure I am maintaining distance. Yeah. So guys, I think I have been probably on. I've been having a very constructive time. I've learned a lot. Believe me, I've learned a lot. But most importantly, I've learned is to never give up. ऐसे काफी moments आते हैं life में when you feel so suffocated and you feel like, okay, बहुत हो गया, enough. I need to give up. I cannot deal with this. I cannot deal with that. My life has no purpose. My life has no meaning. The moment you know that you've hit rock bottom and आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता and you can't do much about it, that is when you should never give up. I don't want to be a Gyan Data, but this is something I've realized and I'm telling you guys. Have that spirit. There's so much to live for in life. Don't give up that easily. The moment life or time or a person or anybody tells you to give up, do not give up. Yeah? Always have that brilliant smile on your face and smile on, shine on, people. What about your techno music? I think I had a lovely phase with techno music. I still do love multiple artists, but suddenly my mood wants alternate rock. So I'm going back to my high school days of listening to alternate rock music. It's just a phase I'm going through. I'm sure I'll switch back to techno when I need to. So I'm just not into techno right now. I'm not feeling it. Yeah. All right. Awesome comments and everything. Somebody from South Africa said, loves that you speak a lot of English. We international fans can understand and participate. Love from South Africa. Thank you so much. I do have so many fans from South Africa because Delhi's, which is renamed as Crossroads right now, it just finished airing. So I have so many of you telling me that you've enjoyed the series and you are still enjoying it on Hotstar. You can watch it. You can catch it up. You can watch it on Hotstar. Thank you guys for the immense amount of love and everything. Even in the darkest of days, when I thought probably I didn't feel my best, I always felt motivated when I thought about the comments from your end, your DMs, your comments, your likes, your suggestions basically kept me going. So I hope as a return gift, I get to do the same for you guys. So I am pumped, I'm kicked, and that's my level of energy right now. And I am planning some really good content. So watch this space for more. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep blessing me with your love. Okay. Bye guys. It was so lovely talking to you guys. It's just lovely feeling. Yeah. Bye.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయటం, కామెంట్ చేయటం, షేర్ చేయటం మర్చిపోకండి. అండ్ అలానే మా ఛానల్ని తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడంతో పాటు పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ని గట్టిగా కొట్టండి.